Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanras pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Sa siphongot kilayo apang COVID-19 han Neigrihms hinden kesengi ka arfnyo tari unaitung. Haba pentip yakani u director ka Neigrihms u Dr. P Bhattacharya ulayathu bana pedeng kini siphongot kendaingut gidei gibladon lupa hagi jaka setslong kat ba uwe ude security guard u ba pahara ya ka jaka sumar jong ketenat ortho pedeng. U director ka Neigrihms ulayathu bakila letes yasan phongot kinongpang hakasengi ningkong bat kendaingut gilong positif. Nakaliang u Dr. Bhattacharya ulayathu bakini kindaingut kimpin I kidak kishin bakilayo yakani kap jingpang henretang u security guard upin I kadak kishin. Nakaliang u Dr. Bhattacharya uloong bayakini kindaingut kibadan hakijaka set slong kilatmu ban pelatno hinin kesengi ka afnyo trik unaitung bat kilap bagilong positif hadin kilarai biang banne biang yakates yakim.
We had some more, out of the total about 50 plus patients who tested today. We had about 9 people who were already in quarantine from that orthopedics.
Okay.
They were tested twice earlier also, but we were supposed to release them yesterday, but yesterday we decided to test them again. So we tested, and 9 of them, these people, they tested positive because they were the same people who had been in touch with those orthopedics and were in quarantine. Okay, so they are not symptomatic. They are just positive but not symptomatic. So we were about to send them, but we decided to test them again. And so that's it. And one security guard who was looking after that orthopedic ward area, he also tested positive, and he is symptomatic.
Okay. How many cases now do you have?
About this is 9 who are in quarantine and who have tested positive but are not symptomatic. And then we have got one is a security guard who is symptomatic. And one patient was, we are giving chemotherapy to these cancer patients.
Yes.
On a daycare basis. So one patient tested positive, and so that patient has been put in isolation. And the other contacts of that patient, they have all gone home, not chemotherapy patients.
Yes.
But we have informed the state they are checking them.